Hi. So today I'm gonna make a vision board for myself for this year. So a vision board is your dreams and goals and aspirations in the form of pictures which you are throwing out there to the universe or into your subconscious mind to low-key like motivate you and get there, because oftentimes we put barriers and doubt on ourselves more than others. That's what I feel. And I know I'm like bit late considering everyone made their boards the last week of December or the first week of Jan. However, like they say, better late than never. So I'm gonna follow that, and I'm making my one on the last week of Jan. So I took all the pictures from Pinterest, pictures which I want from my life from this year. So these are the pictures. I bring them out from a place in JP Nagar. I think it's called Prince, I guess. And in one shade there are 12 pictures you can put, and one shade of Polaroid costs like $100. For 200 rupees I got this because there are all total of 24 pictures. So the reason why I went for the Polaroid, because there is space, and more than giving a general idea to your brain or to the universe, I feel like it is more good if I give like a number to it. For example, this is the picture of diving with sharks, so I want to do it in Maldives, so there's a space where I can write Maldives. Or this is the picture of money, more than the general concept of money. I can write here like, okay, I want like 10 lakhs or something like that, so there is this base which let us able to write, or the destination or the mode, whatever, so that our subconscious mind get a very clear idea and kind of like takes it in and then motivates you to do it. So let's make a vision board. But before that, I have to make myself some breakfast because I'm starving. I'm really hungry.
I never stopped dreaming about the sound of that song playing in the background when the last night was finally spent. I was left with the memory of that chocolate scent. Ooh, the chocolate scent. So here's my love letter, entrusted to the weather. I ride across the waves and float through the clouds. Yeah, when it's delivered, do what you want with it. You can't send it back, keep it around.
So basically I'm gonna do this high protein intake for this month because my sugar levels are not in order. So I'm trying to clean my diet. So I wanna opt for a high protein stuff like foods, so that my carbs level and my sugar level go a bit down. Eggs. Oh, so good. I'm gonna put all of my Polaroids. These are the pens. I'm gonna read a lot of books. I read like 5 or 6 only last year. 24, two books a month, which if I can achieve that, I'm like, whoa, good to go. Basically, the whole idea is to play around, and but first, let's put out a candle because Zen. I need Zen in my life. Candles. Let's start. The whole idea is basically to place around, to move around and see the color schemes and go accordingly to that. No plans. No plans whatsoever. Let's hope for the best. I really wanna attend this cherry blossom festival in Japan. Oh my god, it's one of my dreams, like big dream to go to Japan. Japan is one of the most fascinating place, I believe. I adore Japan. So this is the cherry blossom festival which happened during the month of April, and it has been one of my dreams to attend that festival. But let's see. This is Italy, and I like to give a house to my mother, and I don't want a normal house. I want a bamboo house. I love that sustainable life, that eco life, that slow life, and Assam having blessed with a lot of bamboos, so I want to build her a bamboo house. So this is a bamboo house. And YouTube. So right now my channel is really small, and so if you like my video, then subscribe. I think for the first time I'm telling that. Like so lazy when it comes to editing and stuff, but this year I'm gonna go at least like 500 subs. I'm not expecting anything because I don't want to say something and not like abide by the word. I'm gonna work on myself, and by working on myself I wanna just record the whole process. Yeah, I have to put it that way. So yeah, YouTube. I will be a successful business owner. And money, the most important element in our life. So that, then Italy, then I wanna do lot of adventure this year, surfing, rock climbing. Then want to go to Gulmarg, wear the same suit and do it. Current vibe is I'm gonna learn graphic designing, eat healthy, diving. Basically, I wanna dive with sharks one day, skydiving, and I want iPad, like the latest one. And I want to attend a concert. I want to learn ukulele. I know a little bit, but I want to learn it properly and attract amazing opportunities this year. Again, build a bamboo house in my hometown. Also, I'm gonna build a van. This is one of my dreams, like since I was class 12. This will be challenging to build a camper, not in a big vehicle, like a small one, because Bangalore traffic is worse, and I don't want to just keep it and use it when I go to places. I wanna use it like in normal days also. That's why I wanna opt for a smaller vehicle and convert into a camper rather than doing everything on a big one. I think I will start from March. I don't know. Money, this much. Dreams, as you can see, everywhere. Like spreading everywhere. But that's the way to go.
There's been 2 weeks of rain in the city of sun. There's been 2 weeks of sadness, I don't remember.
In Jillian years.
Been awake, feeling